Hello viewers, this is Mawa cake, especially for those who are eggless. Now Mawa is solidified milk. This one is made out of that, and all the ingredients you can check it. I had it few months back, then I made the video but uploading it now. This one is a very heavy cake. It has got clarified butter. The greasiness on my fingers shows it all. It makes me full for 1 to 2 hour only this much of cake. It doesn't taste like that of regular cake. This is completely like Indian kind of. If you have never tried, you should try this one. Heavy, greasy, and little bit extra sweet.